नमो नमः छात्राः। लास्ट सेशन में हमने लिंगम एवं वचनम इस पाठ के लिंगम ये भाग का अध्ययन किया था। अभी हम लिंगम ये भाग रिवाइज करेंगे। So let us start with पुल्लिंगम। You all know the meaning of पुल्लिंगम। जो शब्द अह से एंड होता है उन्हें पुल्लिंग शब्द कहते हैं। Those words are ending with अह, they are called pullinga shabda, and they are also called akaranta pullinga shabda. Words ending with ah are called akaranta pullinga shabda. जो शब्द अह से एंड होते हैं उन्हें अकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्द भी कहते हैं। Now we will see some more examples of akaranta pullinga shabda. एषः कः? एषः कपोतः। कपोतः। कपोतः means pigeon. एषः कः? एषः गर्दभः। गर्दभः। गर्दभः means donkey. कपोतः। गर्दभः। Now repeat after me. कपोतः। गर्दभः। Again. कपोतः। गर्दभः। Now next words. एषः कः? एषः घटः। घटः। घटः means pot. एषः कः? हस्तः। हस्तः means hand. The words are ending with ah, so they are akaranta pullinga shabdah. Words are ending with ah, so they are akarantah pullinga shabdah. Now repeat after me. Ghatah. Hastah. Again. Ghatah. Hastah. Next word. एषः कः? देवः। देवः means God. एषः कः? एषः हंसः। हंसः means swan. These words are ending with ah, so they are akarantah pullinga shabdah. Repeat the words after me. Devah. Hansah. Again. Devah. Hansah. Next words. एषः कः? एषः कृषकः। कृषकः means farmer. एषः कः? एषः शुकः। शुकः means parrot. The words are ending with ah, so they are akarantah pullinga shabdah. Now repeat after me. कृषकः। शुकः। Again. कृषकः। शुकः। Now we will see some more akaranta pullinga shabdah. Vrukshah. Vrukshah means tree. Mushakah. Mushakah means rat. Now repeat after me. Vrukshah. Mushakah. Again. Vrukshah. Mushakah. Next words. Kukkurah. Kukkurah means dog. Pikah. Pikah means cuckoo. Repeat the words after me. Kukkurah. Pikah. Again. Kukkurah. Pikah. Next words. Adhyapakah. Adhyapakah means teacher. Ajah. Ajah means goat. Now repeat the words. Adhyapakah. Ajah. Again. Adhyapakah. Ajah. Next words. Vanarah. Vanarah means monkey. Sainikah. Sainikah means soldier. Now repeat the words. Vanarah. Sainikah. Again. Vanarah. Sainikah. Now next word. Shramikah. Shramikah means laborer. Now repeat the word. Shramikah. Again. Shramikah. These words are ending with ah. So they are akarantah pullinga shabdah. Students, have you understood this topic? Now we will start next topic. Our next topic is Strilingam. Those words are ending with a. They are called स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. जो शब्द आ से एंड होते हैं उन्हें स्त्रीलिंग शब्द कहते हैं और उनको ही आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द भी कहते हैं. आकारांत मीन्स आ से एंड होने वाले. Words ending with a are called akaranta strilinga shabda. Now we will see some more examples of akaranta strilinga shabda. Esha chhatra. Chhatra means student, girl student. Esha ka. Esha mahila. Mahila means women. These words are ending with a, so they are akaranta strilinga shabda. Now repeat the words after me. Chhatra, mahila. Again, chhatra, mahila. Now we will see next pictures. Esha ka. एषा कलिका. Kalika means bird. एषा का. एषा कोकिला. Kokila means cuckoo. These words are ending with a, so they are आकारंत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. Repeat after me. कलिका, कोकिला. Again, कलिका, कोकिला. Now next pictures. एषा का. एषा नासिका. नासिका means nose. एषा का. एषा अध्यापिका. अध्यापिका means teacher. These words are ending with a, so they are आकारंत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. Now repeat after me. नासिका, अध्यापिका. Again, नासिका, अध्यापिका. Now next words. एषा का. एषा नौका. नौका means boat. एषा का. एषा अजा. अजा means goat. These words are ending with a. नौका, अजा. The words are ending with a, so they are आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. Now repeat after me. नौका, अजा. Again, नौका, अजा. Now next pictures. एषा का. एषा लता. लता means creeper. एषा का. एषा कन्या. कन्या means girl. Words are ending with a, so they are आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. Now repeat words after me. लता, कन्या. Again, लता, कन्या. Now we will see next picture. एषा का. एषा गायिका. गायिका means singer. एषा का. एषा पादुका. पादुका means सैंडल. पुराने जमाने में ऋषि मुनि जो सैंडल पहनते थे उसे पादुका कहते हैं. These words are ending with a, so they are आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. Now repeat words after me. गायिका, पादुका. Again, गायिका, पादुका. Now next picture. एषा का. एषा वाटिका. वाटिका means garden. Repeat the word after me. वाटिका. Again, वाटिका. Now we will see some more words of Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Akarantah Strilinga Shabda. Bala. Bala means girl. Chatka. Chatka means sparrow. Now repeat after me. Bala. Chatka. Again. Bala. Chatka. Now next word. Makshika. Makshika means fly. Pathshala. Pathshala means school. Now repeat words after me. Makshika. Pathshala. Again. Makshika. Pathshala. Now next word. Varsha. Varsha means rain. Naika. Naika means heroine. Now repeat words after me. Varsha. Naika. Again. Varsha. Naika. Now next words. Pipilika. Pipilika means ant. Shikshika. Shikshika means teacher. Now repeat words after me. Pipilika. Shikshika. Again. Pipilika. Shikshika. Now next word. Mushika. Mushika means mouse. Sarita. Sarita means river. Now repeat words after me. Mushika. Sarita. Again. Mushika. Sarita. Now next word. Rama. Rama means goddess Lakshmi. Katha. Katha means story. Now repeat words after me. Rama. Katha. Again. Rama. Katha. Now next words. Dhara. Dhara means earth. Sevika. Sevika means maid servant. Now repeat words after me. Dhara. Sevika. Again. Dhara. Sevika. Now next word. Nisha. Nisha means night. Griva. Griva means neck. Now repeat words after me. Nisha. Griva. Again. Nisha. Griva. Now next word. Rasana. Rasana means tongue. Pipasa. Pipasa means thirst. Now repeat words after me. Rasana. पिपासा. Again, रसना. पिपासा. Now next word. Bharya. Bharya means wife. Rekha. Rekha means line. Now repeat words after me. Bharya. Rekha. Again. Bharya. Rekha. Now next words. Ganga. Ganga means river Ganga. Yamuna. Yamuna means river Yamuna. Now repeat words after me. Ganga. Yamuna. Again. Ganga. Yamuna. Now next words. Lalana. Lalana means lady. Kavita. Kavita means poem. Now repeat words after me. Lalana. Kavita. Again. Lalana. Kavita. Students, have you understood both the topics? Now we will see some question on this topic. First question. Chitram drushtva uchitam shabdam chinuta. See the picture and choose the correct word. Now see the picture. Which picture it is? Yes, now I am reading these three options. Mata, Kalika, Ashvaha. You have to choose one answer from these options. Esha ka, Esha Kalika. Now next. See the picture. Mrugah, Mahila, Rasana. Eshah kah? Correct. Eshah Mrugah. Now next question. See the picture. Which picture it is? Now read the option. Nauka, Mahila, Lalana. Esha ka? Correct. Esha Nauka. Now next question. See the picture. Devah, Lata, Chhatrah. Now choose the correct answer from these options. Esha ka, Esha, Lata. Now next question. See the picture. Which picture it is? Now read the option. Chhatra, Kukkurah, Krushakah. Eshah kah? Select the answer from these options. Yes, Eshah Krushakah. Now next question. See the picture. Narah, Hastah, Hansah. Eshah kah? Correct. Eshah Hastah. Now next question. Uchitam Pullingi Shabdam Chinutam. Choose the correct Pullingi Shabda. First, Bala, Lata, Shukah. इसमें से कौन सा पुल्लिंगी शब्द है? जो शब्द अह से एंड होता है वो पुल्लिंगी शब्द है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कौन सा वर्ड है ऐसा? करेक्ट, शुकः। सेकंड, शिक्षिका, कपोतः, माला। Now which word is पुल्लिंगी शब्द? करेक्ट, कपोतः। Now third, निशा, सैनिकः, ग्रीवा। Which word is पुल्लिंगी शब्द? करेक्ट, सैनिकः। Now next, fourth, अध्यापकः, यमुना, वसुधा। करेक्ट, अध्यापकः। Now next question, उचितं स्त्रीलिंगी शब्दं चिनुत। Choose the correct स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द। 1, मयूरः, नासिका, गजः। अभी इसमें से स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द कैसे सिलेक्ट करोगे? जो शब्द आ से एंड होता है वो स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द है। तो इसमें कौन सा है? करेक्ट, नासिका। देन व्हाट इज द आंसर? नासिका। नाउ सेकंड, कोकिला, पिकः, मूषकः। नाउ विच वर्ड इज स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द? करेक्ट, कोकिला। थर्ड, सेविका, श्रमिकः, हंसः। नाउ टेल द आंसर। करेक्ट, सेविका। फोर्थ, घटः, गर्दभः, मक्षिका। नाउ विच वर्ड इज स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द? करेक्ट, मक्षिका। I think you all have understood the topic. And now this is the end of today's topic. We will meet again with new topic in the next session. धन्यवादः.